An impact driver can increase your productivity when driving screws and bolts for decks and other large projects. It's a great tool to have in your workshop. Here's how it works. An impact driver looks similar to a common power drill, but it has different uses and benefits. They're designed to efficiently drive long deck screws or lag bolts into wooden posts. You can use them to fasten concrete anchors into block walls and drive screws into metal studs. When you need a light touch with screws, you'll want to use a drill with a clutch or a manual screwdriver. Let's get to know the parts on an impact driver. This is the variable speed trigger. As you increase the pressure, it increases the speed. Use the forward and reverse switch to set the direction. To lock it, set it in the center position. This is the quick release chuck that makes it very easy to add or release bits. Impact driver bits have a 1/4 inch hex shank that comes in a range of sizes and shapes to fit a variety of screw heads. The speed torque selector sets the speed and torque for various applications. Like any power tool, safety is important when using an impact driver. You'll want to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris, and ear protection, as exposure to loud noise can cause hearing loss. And these things can get pretty loud. Always hold the impact driver by the insulated grip only. Using an impact driver is very similar to using a power drill. And once you set the direction of rotation, hold the impact driver with one hand. Place the bit on the screw head and slowly press this trigger switch. Start the bit slowly for more control. As the screw is driven, impacting will begin. Release the trigger when the screw head is flush with the surface. To get started using an impact driver, you'll need a hex bit and your safety gear. Depending on the project, you'll need wood screws, composite fasteners, or self-driving screws. Knowing how to use an impact driver will be a great asset to your DIY projects. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.